My name's Marieke McCloskey, and I'm the Director of Research at UserTesting. So UserTesting has both a platform that you can do usability testing on. We also have a services side, basically a consulting company. We offer help to our enterprise clients in using our tool. So today we're going to talk really about the basics of what I think is just good design, and so making something usable for everyone in any situation. And so there's lots and lots of conversation about user experience now and how important user-centered design is, but today I want to focus just on usability and what usability is for products, why we should care about usability, and also how to figure out if the product that you're building, designing, has good usability. So usability and UX get used interchangeably a lot. There's also lots of different definitions for them floating around. Today I'll focus mostly on thinking of usability as a component of user experience. And so it's one of the things that matters if you think about creating a great experience for the people that will be using your product. So making sure that your product is easy to use in any situation is essential to a great product. And so even just a little bit of awareness can go a long way. So even if you don't start doing usability testing and evaluating your interfaces frequently, just knowing that this is a problem and knowing that this is something you should think about will already improve products out there for everyone. So this course will be good for anyone who's at all involved in designing a product. If you're even in the planning side, so more the business decisions that have to be made around like what you're going to build, what features. I can also see this class being really great for the designers or the UX researchers, anyone really involved with figuring out what goes where in the interface, either as a refresher or for people just starting out, or if you have more of a physical products but not digital products, it'd be really interesting to think about how this applies to the digital space and what things to watch for there. No, you do not need to know anything about any of this stuff, even if you've never heard of usability, which you hopefully have, or heard of user experience, but you don't need to have taken any class before. This is generally a topic that people really like when they have a psychology degree because they're sort of interested in people, but it's really, really valuable for anyone from any background. So your project in this class is to conduct your own usability evaluation. And it's actually a two-part project. One where you look at a design that you've chosen and using guidelines that are out there in industry, in the field, kind of agreed upon heuristics, we call them, evaluate the interface for possible usability issues, possible places where users might get stumped or frustrated. And the second part is actually to conduct your own usability study on any interface, any product that you've chosen. I'm really excited to have you join me today to learn about usability and how to create great experiences for your customers, for your users, for your clients, whoever you're designing for. This is really the essence of creating great experiences, which is something I believe every person in the world is entitled to.